All right, our problem says Miss Rice had 4 lollipops on her desk. Later that day, she found 3 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Miss Rice have now? Let's read it again, and this time we're going to look for that important information. Miss Rice had 4 lollipops on her desk. How many did she have on her desk? That's right, she had 4 lollipops on her desk. Later that day, she found 3 more lollipops. How many more did she find? That's right, she found 3 more. How many lollipops does Miss Rice have now? Let's think about that. Are we putting together or are we taking apart? You're going to use your sticks or circles in this box to show your work and figure out how many lollipops does Miss Rice have if she had 4 on her desk and then found 3 more. You're going to write your answer here where it says answer. And at the bottom, you're going to write a number sentence. Remember, a number sentence looks like this. We have a number plus a number makes another. We can also say equals another number. Can't wait to see what you guys come up with.